I don't recognize these faces in these pictures in my phone.
Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all really well. Today I have got a no glitter festival makeup look for you. I know some people are big on not using glitter because I know a lot of it isn't biodegradable. I mean, I can't really talk because my Sophie Hannah Beauty glitters aren't biodegradable. It's something I've been working on and I will probably talk more to you about that in another video. But I just wanted to offer some inspiration on a festival makeup look that you can do that you don't need to use glitter. You can still have fun with your makeup, you can be creative and really colourful and bold, and yeah, you don't need to use glitter or jewels or anything like that. It's become quite commercial now, so if you wanted to kind of be a bit unique and creative, then yeah, this could be a festival makeup look for you. I've gone for rainbow eyes, a bold pink lip, and cute little daisies under my eyes. How cute are they? I'm literally loving this look. So yeah, I really hope you enjoy this tutorial. I've already done my base and my contour, so I start from my highlight and then work my way through to the eyes and the lip. But I'll pop all links below to the product for you to shop. And yeah, let's get makeup tutorial. That doesn't even make sense. Let's go.
I don't recognize these faces in these pictures in my phone. If I can only remember where I ended up last night. But this apartment feels so empty when you're drinking on your own. Isn't this what I always wanted? Then why do I feel so haunted by those same faces running through my brain? And I wish I could go back, but I can't just jump in a time machine. So I'll smoke my weed and then I'll just pour one out for my old friends. Keep an eye on the weekends. I know we don't keep in touch like we used to, but I keep making these new friends. Why do I try to impress them? Is it 'cause I'm afraid that I'm still just like my old friends? Old friends. And if I am, what's so wrong with being just like my old friends? Old friends. Sometimes I drink my feelings till I'm passed out on the floor. It wasn't too long ago we were laughing through the night, but this bed can feel so empty when you're sleeping on your own. I should be perfectly happy, so please tell me what is happening. But these same faces running through my brain, and I wish I could go back, but it's been too long and the weeds are gone. So I'll smoke this rose and then I'll just pour one out for my old friends. Keep an eye on the weekends. I know we don't keep in touch like we used to, but I keep making these new friends. Why do I try to impress them? Is it 'cause I'm afraid that I'm still? I remember when we stayed out late, told my mom that we'd be home by 8. Then we made a bunch of dumb mistakes, but I wouldn't trade it, I wouldn't trade it. When we stayed out late, I remember told my mom that we'd be home by 8. Then we made a bunch of dumb mistakes, but I wouldn't trade it, I wouldn't trade it. Just pour one out for my old friends. Keep an eye on the weekends. I know we don't keep in touch like we used to, but I keep
So that was it. What did you guys think of this look? I would love to hear your comments. Please leave them below. I will try my best to get back to you all. Again, as I said before, the products are all linked below if you're interested. Yeah, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.